Hi, my name is Dr. Frank Schwartz, and thank you for clicking on my page to hear this brief message. I'm one of the co-directors of SRI. The other is Dr. Dave Rudick, and I am sure that I'm speaking for him to say that we're both very proud of our organization. I actually started SRI in Jenkintown in 1995. A few words about my interest in psychology. While I do work with some adults in my practice, my passion really involves helping children and teenagers. I consult with parents of children all the way down to infancy. Since finishing my degree and becoming licensed in 1982, I've always worked with preschool children and school-age children. Experience has shown that early intervention and treatment at a young age can be very helpful. A little bit of practical therapy can go a long way to reduce or even prevent more complicated problems later on. This is particularly true when we're talking about things like ADHD, emotional problems, and also challenges with relationships. Teenagers, of course, present another layer of complexity, but generally I find them to be relieved when they finally have someone neutral that they can talk to. I also enjoy helping college students and young adults. My short list of the most common problems that I help children and parents with are behavior management, anxiety, depression, school problems, and family relationships. I'm very familiar with psychological symptoms that seem to be a result of medical problems, as well as medical symptoms that seem to be caused by stress or anxiety or some other psychological problem. I'm proud to have close connections with quite a number of pediatricians and family doctors with whom I collaborate when a patient needs to be referred for help. I also do psychoeducational testing, and you can find a very detailed written description of what I do with testing on our website in the services section. I think I'm pretty good with helping children and teens to feel safe, to help them to make a connection with me, to help them to understand what therapy is, and to sort of get to the point where they're ready to work together. By the time therapy is finished, ideally the problem is gone or greatly reduced, or if not, that at least the child or the teen or the parent feels stronger, feels more optimistic, has more insight, more understanding about the problem, and there's a plan or some strategies that will help to maintain the improvements that we have achieved. Thank you very much again for your interest in SRI and for visiting our website. Please let us know if there's something that we can do to be helpful.